They're like vultures. My mother's right. The seagull over here in Nutley, New Jersey. I'm just throwing out an oatmeal raisin cookie and see if they go at it to fight over it. Go, go. It's for you, geese.
No. See, they take it. They take it.
No, for you guys. Go. Go ahead. I want the goose to have it.
Yeah, yeah, good.
Seagull got enough. Good.
Oh, good, good, good.
Share. The seagulls proceeding with caution, Mom. Because it's 3 against 1, after all.
Oh.
Go ahead. Share.
Bird.
Sharing is caring.
The bird flew away.
Go ahead. Rich does it better, but that's the geese, Mom.
Hey guys. Hey guys. Ron, there's a couple of birds.
Awesome. God's creations.
You threw it all?
Yeah. There's still more on the ground. Oh, look at the cute little bird.
I know. Seagull.